English, I think I'm going to
We're going to tell you a story so you can understand.
Yeah, okay.
No, we're going to tell you a story in English.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you need to know.
So, can you hear me? Do you know me? Sorry, you know me? Tell them my name. John. Excellent. Okay, my name is John, and I am from Eritrea. Are you all from Eritrea?
Ethiopia. Yeah.
Ethiopia and Eritrea?
Yeah.
We are the same name of God.
I'm talking Eritrean, but that's not background.
Oh, excellent. I'm very happy of that. But by the way, I am from Eritrea, and while I was in Eritrea, I was writing school books. And in our school books, we used to include various stories. And I want to tell you one or two stories from Eritrean books that we were using in primary school. When I say primary school, I mean from year 1 to year 5. And we always write various stories that the local people know. And one of them is about animals. Do you know, can you tell me any parts at home? Any part? Yeah? At home, what kind of animal can you tell me?
A dog.
Yeah?
A dog.
Dog, excellent. Dog,
Lion.
lion, cat. So, that's enough, but I wanted to tell you about 4 domestic animals. By domestic, I meant home animals. Like, for example, you said cat, dog, donkey, and 4th is chicken, hen. You know all of this. So they were very friends, and they used to sit together, to live together. And one day, you know what happened? The hen said, let's go and buy some food from the market. And the others refused. She went and brought some bread to make food. On her way, she also bought like, what do you need to do to make sauce? What do you need?
You need some ingredients.
Ingredients, what kind of ingredients?
Like
Onion?
Onion.
Meat?
And
Do you need meat? You don't need meat, okay.
well,
Zigni, do you know zigni?
yeah, I do know the
So
but I
if-
don't eat it that much.
Okay, my God. Okay, what else do we need? She told me onion, tomatoes, and what else? Berbere. You know berbere? What's berbere? Bravo. Okay, pepper. Spicy pepper of Eritrea. In Japan is called berbere. Yeah? So she went out and bought all these things. And then coming back home, she said, can you help me to make sauce? And they all refused. They said, no, I don't want, I'm tired. Therefore, the hen made a kind of spicy sauce using meat, tomatoes, onion, spicy pepper. What do you call in Tigrinya that sauce? ቀይ ወጥ ወይ ደግሞ ዝግኒ ይባላል። እሺ በትግርኛ ዝግኒ ነው የሚሉት፣ ግን በአማርኛ ቀይ ወጥ ነው የሚባለው። አዎ ቀይ ወጥ means the sauce I'm telling you. So she made it and asked them who can wash the dishes and prepare food. They all refused. Therefore she washed all the dishes and then brought the dishes to the table. She said, who wants to come around the table? They all came and surrounded her. Therefore they sat together. Who wants to eat food? She said. They all said, me. They all said, yes. She said, you will not eat. She stopped them from having that meal. So now let me ask you, is she right or wrong to stop them from eating? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yeah. Why? She's right. Why?
Because they weren't helping her with anything.
Anything. They didn't help her. Yeah, that's okay. That's your opinion. And you? Do you have a different opinion?
Because they too tiny to help them. And then when they ate food, they didn't.
So she's right to stop them from, to refuse them to eat. Yeah? Okay. Why?
It's because they didn't do the dishes.
Right. So she's right to disallow them from eating the food. Yeah? Yeah. Okay.
Why did she not like, why did she refuse to let the hen
Well, firstly, they all refused to help her to work together. Therefore, you know what she did? She asked each step to help her, and they refused until the end. So when the food came around, she asked if they want to eat. They all came and sat to eat together with her. So anyone who doesn't work, can he eat? No, we must work. Yeah? Unless we work, we cannot eat. So, what do we call someone who doesn't work, who doesn't like work? Yeah.
Lazy.
Lazy. Excellent. Can you clap at her? Bravo. That's called lazy. So, if we don't work, we cannot eat. We are not allowed to eat. We must work unless we are ill, unless we are seriously sick. We must work. Don't we? Yeah. So now, let me ask you a question. What do you call the hard worker who was asking her friends to work with her? What's her name in Tigrinya? What do you call her? I said hen. Bravo, bravo. Can you stand up and tell them loudly? What do you call it? Dorho. Dorho. What do you call it? Doro? Dorho is what? What? Yeah. So that's called hen. And another animal that refused to work was donkey. What do you call in Tigrinya donkey? Who can tell me?
Was the donkey like helping? Yeah, but like, I
In
mean,
Tigrinya, what do you call it?
I don't know.
Yeah, this shows that our parents are not teaching us Tigrinya. They are not teaching us Amharic.
Ask in Amharic. What did you call it? What's that in Amharic? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ahya, excellent. Ahya. Yeah, excellent.
Clap, 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 clap.
What do you call it?
The answer one, you know.
Raise your hand. What do you call in Tigrinya? Can you say it loudly? Adge, yeah. You are about to say it? Yeah, you are about to say it. Okay, that's okay. Adge in Tigrinya in Amharic, Ahya. Okay? Yeah, so another animal that refused to work with hen. Cat, we said cat. What do you call it? Bravo. Okay, oh, dumu.
Easy for you.
Amarnya menempal.
Answer again.
Excellent, bravo.
Answer first.
The last animal was dog. What do you call it?
Oh, well done, Mati. I hear you.
In Tigrinya, what do you call it?
Negirkasu.
Kelbi, bravo.
The answer is three.
When did you come from Eritrea? Last week?
No.
Yesterday?
No.
Last month?
What about killing years ago?
Oh, okay. Anyway, so Kelbi is a dog, Musha is dog. So the last story I want to tell you was about a lazy man. Let me tell you, are you good at school? How good are you? how good are you at school? In number, okay, numbers, mathematics. Are you good? Tsubok, excellent. He told me in Tigrinya, Tsubok, he said. Yeah, and you? Yeah? 100%. Wow, excellent, excellent.
Are we gonna do another story about our old lazy man?
I will tell you another one.
And can I show you how our old lazy man is? Can I show you?
It's a bit different. What I'm going to tell you, you will tell them when I finish, you will tell these guys, okay? You will tell them. So, look, are we together? Are we all together? Yeah? So, you can say. So, you know what happened? There was a student, name it, I will not tell his name, but you know what happened? He was very lazy at school. So he failed 4 times in one school, and therefore the school dismissed him from continuing his studies. Because each year in Eritrea, in Ethiopia, you know what happens? If someone doesn't pass year 1 or year 2, he must repeat it. He must repeat for 1 year. Therefore he repeated 4 times. Therefore they dismissed him from school. Then, you know what he did? He went to the park around the school and lied under a tree. While he was lying on the tree, under the tree, an ant. What do you call ant in Tigrinya or Amharic? Ant. Ant. You know ant? Ant. Tate. Gundan. In Tigrinya we call tate. In English, sorry, in Amharic, gundan. Yeah, gundan. And the tate in the man in Tigrinya we call tate. So the ant, while the lady student was under the tree, like just upward like this, the ant started to climb the tree. So what's the strong part of tree? What do we call the strong part of tree? Yeah, or what else do you call? Stem. Stem. Gind, excellent. Yeah, in Tigrinya we say gundi, in Amharic gind. Yeah, look at it. So look. The ant was trying to climb the tree, and after reaching half of the way to the tree, it failed. So you know what happened? He tried 5 times, and on the 6th one, he managed to climb up to the branches. Did you hear me? He failed 5 times, and on the 6th occasion, he climbed to the branches. Therefore, you know the lady student who was lying on the ground looking at the ant said, oh look, this is a small tiny animal, and it climbed after trying 6 times. He tried 6 times and climbed the tree on the 6th occasion. Therefore, the student said, this guy failed 5 times, and on the 6th occasion it climbed, and it is a tiny animal. So I am a human, I am a person. Why don't I try again myself? So he went back to school and asked his teachers to admit him again. So his teacher said, will you work hard? Yes, I will work hard. Are we together?
Yeah.
Are we talking together?
Yeah.
Are you listening? Okay. So after he saw the ant, the student went back to, where did he go? To school. And asked his teachers to admit him. So he was allowed to continue again, and he became first. He went to university. He finished primary school, junior school, secondary school, and then he went to university. Because he learned that if you work hard, you can pass and reach to whatever level you want. So that student finished his university. Now let me ask you a question. What happened to the student at school first? Yeah.
He keeps on failing.
Yeah?
He keeps on failing.
He failed many times at school. Yeah? Then what happened? After he failed 4 times, what happened? The teachers, what did they do? They dismissed him, expelled him from school. Yeah? Then where did he go? Where did he go? Yeah, he went to the park and lie under a tree. Yeah? Excellent. What do you call tree in Amharic? What do you call tree in Amharic? Yeah, okay. In Tigrinya, who can tell me tree? Tree. Tree. What do you call in Tigrinya? Zaf. In Tigrinya, Gereb. Or you can say in Cheti, Gereb is tree. Yeah? What do you call in Tigrinya? Zaf is Aman. In Tigrinya, we call Gereb or in Cheti. Therefore, the student, the lazy student what was he doing under the tree? Tell me. Who can tell me? What did he do? Yeah?
He was looking at the ant.
He was watching, yeah.
He was watching the ant go on the tree 5 times and he failed, and at the last time he climbed.
He climbed. Excellent, excellent. He said he was watching the ant and the ant failed 5 times, and on the sixth occasion it managed to climb. Okay, therefore what did he do? What did the student do then? Yeah.
He went back
To school, and what did he do?
He told the teachers, can he go home?
Yeah, and what did they say?
And then they said yes.
They allowed him. Then what happened after they allowed him? Come on, yeah.
He went to higher levels.
What level, for example? Higher level, excellent. Higher level. He went to higher level. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, you forgot, yeah.
Can I show you how I use it?
No, answer the question. After you answer the question, we'll go to that. I asked it, where did the student go? What level did he reach? Yeah.
Secondary school and university.
University, excellent. Oh, bravo, bravo. So what can you learn from here? What can we learn? What can you learn from here? What, yeah.
Always work hard.
Can you listen to him? Yeah, can you listen to him? Yeah, can you say it loudly?
Always work hard so you get.
Always work hard. If you work hard, you can achieve. You can win it. Yeah? So, which means we can win if we work hard. Yeah? Or don't give up. Yeah? ተስፋ አትቁረጡ፣ በደንብ ትጋችሁ መስራት አለባችሁ፣ ከዛ ታሸንፋላችሁ ነው መልእክቱ። እና በትግርኛ ተዳጽርና ጽቁን ተሰሪህና ንዕወትና ማለት ነው። ያ thank you for your attention, for your answers and everything. Yeah?
Can I show you now?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay.
This is how it's working.
Yeah.
Rafi, do you want? It's going to be a bit funny, but.
Show is not over.
Wait, sit down, come back. Come back.
This is how you do how they do it.
Oh. I like the way he shakes. Oh. Bravo.
Everybody
Sama taptın Allah'ım ta. Okay. Unutuyorum.
Some.
ሳሚ አዳማ አፍለካ
They need to do more.
Yeah, they need
So
some
this two they pass. So 1, 2 is definitely.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So between 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the last one? Isaac first. So for the third place and fourth place, 1, 2, 3, 4. Have to dance again. 5. Dance again.
Sam bezna. Sami. Taraf. Ya abzan kapaz.
أربعة تقول لهم الله بيت. No two, one. So نحن شاي درجة. One more thing. Amharic. Give place, yeah. The last one now. English. The last one English. No, go on. Amharic.
Eritrean. Seymour.
Not everyone is gonna cut the cake.
There's only two left. Who wants that one? That one? Or me, Molly?
Öyle ıskatırken.
Everyone needs to have one. No free cake, no free cake. Get one, guys. Have one.
So everyone gonna go ahead
Everyone get
with
one.
cracking eggs one by
Oh,
one.
yeah. Three, two,
One by one. One by one. No, no, not yet. Not yet. Kind of. Okay. Wait. Here.
I got this.
No, 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 no.
One by one.
He gave me.
One by one. Do it.
But Sammy gave
No, no, but you don't
me.
hold hair. It's hair. It goes there. Oh, that's yucky.
Okay.
Wait, wait.
It's enough, 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 Mati. Matthias, enough. It's enough, Matthias.
What? But my mom said one by one. Yeah?
No, no. Matthias, jag läcka. I know. Nu ska du leka. Give the chance to other kids.
You wanna have this? Look, mommy.
It's okay. No, no, no.
Guys, you I can. Okay, now we mix.
Let's see who's good in mixing.
I'm good. I'm fast. Very fast. Can you have a turn?
Okay, give it a turn.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay, next one. Next one. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay, next one. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay, next
do we need next?
Okay. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next. Okay. Now your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that. Mommy, they all had a turn now. What?
Okay, don't mix it though.
Don't make
Good
sense.
indication.
She didn't have a turn. This side. She didn't have a turn. Give her a turn. You didn't.
Yeah.
Oh, do you want her to know? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's overbeat, like.
Nah, I don't. It's all 10 seconds for everyone. 10 seconds. Yeah. To do everything. Yeah. They're not yet. Do that.
ส የሸማኔ ዋርካ ጭቃ ስታቦካ በትልቁ ማንኪያ ላርካ የሸማኔ ዋርካ ጭቃ ስታቦካ በትልቁ ማንኪያ ላርካ የሸማኔ ዋርካ ጭቃ ስታቦካ በትልቁ ማንኪያ ላርካ የሸማኔ ዋርካ ጭቃ ስታቦካ በትልቁ ማንኪያ
جوني جوني
أبيت بابا
شكر بريعك
لولو بابا
صوت لميدك
لولو بابا
كفوتو أفكا
ها
جوني جوني
أبيت بابا
حسوت كيغا ودي
هراي بابا
حسوت كيغا يو جون ودي حق تبوق يو جون ودي جون ودي ايتي كاكي حسوت كيغا يو
شكر بلعكي نو ماما حسك لميتكي نو ماما كفاتي أفكي ها بوبو بوبو أبيه ماما حسد جيجا قولي هلاي ماما حسد جيجا يو بوبو قالي حق تبوق يو بوبو قالي آي تقاقي حسد جيجا يو جوني جوني أبيت ماما كراميلا بلعكا نونو ماما حصت لميوتكا نونو ماما كفتو أفكا ها جوني جوني أبيت ماما حصت كيغا ودي هراي ماما
حصوت كيغا يو جون ودي حق تبوق يو جون ودي ايتي كاكي حصوت كيغا يو بوبو بوبو
أبي بابا
كريم لبلعكي
نو بابا
صوت لميدكي
نو بابا
فاتي أفكي بوبو بوبو
أبي بابا
صوت كيغا قولي
هلاي بابا
حصوت كيغا يو بوبو قولي حق تبوق يو بوبو قولي اي تكاقي حصوت كيغا يو
جوني جوني أبيت ماما لكا بلعكا نونو ماما حسد لميتكا نونو ماما كفتو أفكا ها جوني جوني أبيت ماما حسد جيجا ودي هراي ماما حسد جيجا يو جون ودي حق صبوق يو جون ودي أي تكاقي حسد جيجا يو
جوني جوني
أبيت بابا
يوغزا سريحكا
لولو بابا
صوت لميدكا
لولو بابا
كفتو تراسكا
ها ها ها
جوني جوني
عبيد بابا
تماهر زودي
عراي بابا
قبر مزنعت خزودي ودي أيوخا تمرتخا نفعكا كتكب زليخا
بوبو بوبو عبيه ماما عيو غزا سريحكي نو ماما حصوت لميدكي نو ماما كفات تراسكي ها 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 بوبو بوبو عبيه ماما تمهر زقوالي هراي ماما نفعت مرتخي زقوالي كباري مسمعتخي قدمي طولتخي وديعي يوخي جوني عبيت ماما بوبو خانعي هلاي ماما بوبون جونن اندي داخل لكم دليلو معنتي حصت جيجا يمزم دكي زحسو سدري فتو عروختي فتو ماما هراني فتو حصت جيجا يزن دكي
أديكم زولتكم كتسمع لكم زمدكي حصوت كاب كل سبيز فليكم كاب كله تحسوا بالكم من حق تدارب زمدكي كاب كله أيوة قطعهم كسر لكم كريم يلا شوكولاته شكر زعما سولو مقبوطات بعقن كتبلعوا لكم أنا ناديهم من زعمناكم تبلعوا أرايدهم زمدكي
هراي بابا
ليلو معك مدب كاميرا خلفنا ساعة سعيدنا يكون عند كاميرا خلفنا ولا دك 5 ساعة نيرة عايفة هاي هو
عايز ترسم حاجة بحلاوي
لا ثانك يو قال انت له نصح كم زين شاله تكفون يروي ويكتفون له تمتع تجيرو تمتع لازم تمتع نقبرينا مالك ناي ستريس ناي دي تاكل خمي بعد تبلع فح بني انا ستريس لو معك اوه ماي جاد انت معتي ده
والله
تساي كمين يرو ناي لو معك مدب كم عدالوت مدب كمي حقس كده زد لنا سريع ده سريع تعبين نام لكن احنا بدينا لنا يا كده عايزك يا بس Thank you. እናቶች እንዴት ነው ይሄ ነገር ያስፈልጋል? ኔክስት ታይም አብረን እናሳልፈዋለን። Thank you. بعد حد متصل تمينين ولا ما عندك ها ده بدي هي خاطر نبرع فيه ما يغطي ديتات كميت ديتات من الثالث مصاحب جزر وشلاي تعبت يا كيف يا هاي زبطة ما عنده كمين يلا لو معك مدة كتابة فيه أبو خابر زيك بعنا كلام معي. عندنا بليس. سبرايز يرنا.
next time عبيت جدا.
Negaranya banyak.
Oh ya. Sami. Orang kasih sekali tu. Sekali.
كيف؟ هو هذا سبي واي يا شغلت يا سكغير من المبيع وا او تعطي حكايتي بتاع اوتري هاي تحسبنا حرا بقى حرا نسيت لا